Imagine getting a phone call that the Lamborghini from the Italian Job still exists. And you've got 18 hours to prove it. Today, we're hearing the story from the man that went to find it. For years, the Miura from the Italian Job was effectively missing. Its whereabouts unknown, its story uncertain. Then came the call. A wealthy collector had come into possession of the car believed to be the original and needed someone who could tell the difference. Someone who knew these cars inside out. That's where Iain Tyrrell came in. Having worked on countless Lamborghinis, he was trusted to authenticate it, to decide whether this was the real car or not. But there was a catch. He had 18 hours to get there, because whoever reached that car first would be the one to define its future.
I just got one of those mad phone calls, somebody who's become a good friend said, "You're not interested in the Italian Job Miura, are you?"
Yeah.
And I'm like, "What?" And at first it was all a bit incredible, and I thought, no, this can't be right. And it got more and more serious as the conversation went on. And I had an 18-hour window to get to Paris to have a look at the car.
And this wasn't just any Lamborghini. This was a car that opened one of the most iconic films ever made.
You're only supposed to blow the bloody doors off!
So I chartered a private jet. So that was it. I flew to Paris. I got escorted into a secret underground car park. I knew within a very short time, because I'm extremely nerdy about Miuras, I can tell you by looking at a car almost what month it was made in the production run.
God.
So I knew it was the car, and the rest is history.
That moment, looking at a car you've only ever seen in a film, and suddenly it's real. For me, it's one of the greatest openings in cinema. That moment, the music, the road, and then suddenly it's gone. And you've got your first job at Rolls-Royce when you were just 19, is that right?
That is correct. My first proper job.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever had a proper job, actually.
You've loved everything you've done.
Exactly, yes.
It's fantastic you can love the job that you do.
Exactly.
Now, this is where the story takes a turn I wasn't expecting. The singing. And there's another thing I hope you don't mind me mentioning, which is the singing. Ben
I
Tucker.
don't mind you mentioning
well, Ben Tucker, because
Yes.
he said that you are the sort of Frank Sinatra of Europe.
Well, that is indeed what he said.
And I was listening this morning to Days Like These.
I took the car back to the Alps.
Right, okay.
I re-recorded a version of the song with a friend of mine who's a music producer.
Okay.
All the proceeds from that have gone to charity.
Right.
And I recreated on the original roads the opening sequence of the film.
And I thought it was something good there, and you'd already done it.
Well, sorry. I mean, we can always do it again.
You're ahead of me all the time. But listen, if you want to see that particular video, the link is in the descriptions below, and you can check out Iain singing the song. And I tell you what, you're in for a treat because he's got an amazing voice.
Oh.
A car from a movie, lost, rediscovered, and then driven again on the very road that made it famous. It's not just a car story, it's history coming back to life. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode of Classic Car Stories. But don't park the car just yet. Make sure you drive straight into the next episode, because every classic has a story to tell.